This video explains how you can use the SharePoint in Microsoft Office. So go to office.com and then click on SharePoint. SharePoint is basically the place where you can keep all the documents. It's basically the internal website for your company, but you can also make it public as well if you want. So in SharePoint you can create multiple websites. As you can see here, there is a link to create a site and create news posts as well. So when you click on create a site, there are two types of sites that you can create: team site and communication site. So team site, where you can share the documents, and in the communication site you can publish other types of contents where you can do the announcements and stuff like that. So team site, you can give the name to the site, say team site 1. Group email address you can also create. Site description you can put a privacy. As I said earlier, you can make it public or private, and then you can also select the language, then click next, add additional owners, add members, and that's how you can create this SharePoint site. And also you can create the posts as well, like here. So the main purpose of the SharePoint is that we can share the documents easily and save the documents, project documents at one place. Like even if somebody leaves the company, other people can access those shared documents from the common place. So that is the main purpose of having this SharePoints. As you can see, there are some default folders there where you can put the documents. Just click on new. The new folder is created, and then you can upload new documents in here. So that is how you can use this SharePoint. It's not very complicated. It's just a very simple interface where you can upload your project documents and share it with your colleagues at office. You can also download, upload, edit the documents right in this browser itself. Thanks for watching this video.